Today, we are exploring 3 essential keys to enhancing your self-love. Stay tuned to discover practical tips and insights to cultivate a deeper sense of self-empowerment and appreciation. Let's dive in. I'm going to bring out one of my Lenormand decks, and this one's Thelma Lenormand. I love it because it's pretty simple in the imagery and easy for beginners who are interested in learning Lenormand to be able to play with and kind of get a sense of how it works for your own intuitive development. And one of the things I do with the Soul Life Treasure Hunt is I will throw just about any kind of deck on this thing. It could be itching, it could be mindfulness decks, it could be just almost any type of cards, flips of paper. I flip books to get the information that I want to understand. How can I be more peaceful? What is my power in any situation? Remind me, Spirit, of what I do know and what I can count on. And then at the heart of the matter, what's really going on for me? What is at the soul level of being able to bring my mind and my heart into a semblance of alignment? Finding my true north is going to be based in the heart, but also knowing that I am aligning. And I will know I'm aligned because I am in a harmonious, balanced state of being. But a lot of times we don't always know why we're feeling rattled, or why we are feeling this trigger or this unsettled anxiety that happens at times. So, or maybe there's something even more going on that's just blessing us and wanting to come up and do even more for us. And this is how I have learned to use my Soul Life Treasure Hunt system as a compass for navigating my life. So I thought we would just go ahead and play with the Lenormand system because it's kind of different, and it's one that I really do enjoy. I feel like it's very much that grounded, earthly plane type of a system where tarot gives you all the etherical guidance, and oracles are kind of a blend between the two quite well. Then there's Lenormand, which is more hands-on for me, and I think it goes really well with Soul Life Treasure Hunt, just like everything else does. I already rolled the dice so that we can see what we're going to just focus on, because a lot of times, if you're anything like me, I'll just pull cards and it's like, oh, okay, how's that referencing my life right now? How can I really amp up this message so that I understand even more clearly what's going on? So we're going to be looking at our body, health, self-love arena. So let's see what we can do. I've been shuffling the cards. For today's reading, I do it a little different than I normally do. But being a bear, a number 15, it is that strength to go into your cave and hibernate when you need to, the season. And then when you come out, you're still a strong being and ready for the new season of productivity and gaining more strength and checking your territory and finding more of the goodness in life and enjoying the whole arena of the power that is you. I see these bears like mama bears. They are just fierce. You just are not going to take a mama's cubs and do anything to them. She will fight you to the death. She will make sure that she's going to protect her young and her territory. She sets the boundaries. So that's one of the things that we can take a look at. Number 10 of clubs to me in the system is earthly things. So it's really the up-leveling personal strength that you have. So where are you like a mama bear or a leader of your own life? You can go solitary, but you know that you are a powerful force for all that is in your arena. So we're looking at self-love. And do you feel powerful? Woo, we're going to take a look at this. This is Stork, 17, Queen of Hearts. And the thing about storks is they build their nest. It's a new beginning. It's creating a little family, a little nest you call home, and raise your young. So being a leader, creating a home, and the home is in yourself. This is your own home. Is this the place that is optimal, that you've chosen, you selected out of all the places in the world, all the beings that are out there? This is your home, and you feel like you have created a safe sanctuary in your own being for your own self as the queen. See, Mama Bear, the queen, the benevolent queen, but you don't mess with the queen either if you're going to be unlawful, if you're going to be disrespectful. Self-love. Are you disrespecting? Are you allowing and knowing that you are a sovereign being in your own sense, your own wellness, your own ability to take control and rule your inner being well? Are you the queen of your castle, so to speak, your kingdom? And then I'm going to go over here and let's see where we're at for further harmonizing. And it's 3 ship. Ships are return on investments. And it's you invest and you send that ship out to go acquire goods that you can bring back. And it's business deals, it's investing for the future. And a lot is riding on this adventure of your life. 10 of spades is very much spades is about thinking and thoughts, and again, up leveling. These are all high numbers. You've got the 10s, which is you're up leveling right now, this self-love. You're saying, hey, you know what? I am me, and I am fine with me. If you have a problem with me, I don't know what to tell you other than I'm going to be me. And I'm going to be me by taking really good care of my inner being and rule within myself well. And if you need more adventures or more information, more resources rather, if you need more resources, you can find them by these excursions, by investing in the support of what's at home and what's in yourself. So I see it's not about somebody else giving you the self-love, the love. You love yourself because you're here. This is your territory. And in your territory, you take good care of it. You nurture it. You bring up more and more goodness, more things that can give you reason to send them out. This is kind of what's coming to my mind. I have children. And what's interesting is when they matured and they started going on their own, or they would bring great music and movies and things that I wouldn't have normally been a part of, but they are out there doing the stuff. So it's like they expanded my life, my world, by bringing back home what they were interested in. There's some really cool things we still enjoy because we were introduced by our kids who probably, well, whether mom and dad liked it or not, they were going to enjoy it because that's that generation wanted to listen to or to watch or to take a look at in their own journeys as souls. It's almost like I've been the mama chicken, and little chicks would come back home and get under my wings, and we'd have this sharing of what they've explored and what they are learning and what they were investing their time on earth toward and bringing back to the fold of the family. We've got some really great experiences, but we do that for ourselves too. What types of things will expand upon your ability to love yourself? When you do go on adventures towards resources, are they meant to expand you? Because this takes a lot of courage to go on a ship on a wide ocean that you never know what's on the other side of this ocean, the risks, but yet you know that you need to venture forth in order to flourish and to expand, able to support young new beginnings of your life. So as you are looking at this reading of self-love, giving yourself freedom to sail, freedom to set some boundaries if that's what you need, knowing that you do have the right to set boundaries, and the responsibility to be your own best nurturer and care for yourself. All right. Ooh, I'm going to leave that with you today. Oh, I love this. I always look at the bottom card, and this is the Ace of Spades too, card 29. And that is the woman. That is you. This is you. the strong woman, the nurturing woman, and the investor. Where you at? How can you invest more? How can you nurture more? And how can you lead more and be more courageous in your life, and then create the life of beauty that a queen rules over? Ooh, I love this reading. All right, give me some feedback on how this one's hitting you with your own interpretations and how this resonates in your own life. I feel like as self-love with women, divine feminine, we really got to break the mold on this one. We just got to really honor self-love. Even though we look beautiful, it comes from a sense of knowing who we are and about all the strengths that we have, that nobody pushes us around. We have the ability to go after what we need and to protect what we need. And we are also very, very nurturing and caring. So doing that for ourselves, creating our own nest and our own inner sanctuary where it's very, very safe and it's ideal for us. And investing in even more, so that more can be shared with our loved ones, with our world, in creating more joy and beauty in our lives. Oh, wow. All right. Thank you for your comments and likes, loves, and just love to hear more from you about how I can support you in your journey as we venture forward with more ideas and thoughts to contemplate each week. Till next time, thanks again.